see global info na aba na akokwa hade no na me no ye bia na me hwe na akọ ne so kodi fu akra
obende na
akwa hade unum say
oboma say
Eugene, udi na no eze di na no pa ga.
Say enra den me de boss here. All right, you clear you.
Akwa hade unse ama ban sesan.
Sure.
Aya na mostly no ye to abawi a na hwe afrobarometer service no ma ye ni nyina. Aya right after elections. Aya na ban no was a honeymoon period no.
Yeah.
Until most of the service no support as election results na. Until me hu global InfoAnalytics survey no the ban assessing John Mahama 3 months no. Me Osei-Tutu there me hu praise se wo mu. Akwa hade. O share for example, direction of the country. 2014, now the direction of the country near 14%. In fact, the West Afro Barometer yenya Ghana no. Kufuado na John Mahama.
Sure.
2014-2022. The direction of the country now we have Afro Barometer. So almost started here in the 2020 Afro Barometer I think around 10.
Sure.
By your introduction ibu wa about latest. I'm not going to me pa because o men tie me yomba ye omono me na me mpe Mahama sana me mpe Kufuado asem. Ba akokweti 2014 yakoto aba na omo we frame no 2014 yebusa 2017 yebusa as ankrofo na going down said 47%. It na bounce.
That was just about a year after.
A bounce na ugina so.
Okay.
But you see the reason why they be am kasa kwakwa me pe research ni data na say o kire wadwan a different we use data so a different. So I proving to you say any novelty. Say country going in the right direction. It's just a bounce.
All right.
Now, global InfoAnalytics, I think say don't respect no. And let me say this before I even come to the subject. Sure. Akokwa, yeah man, yeah de bia. Musa dan ko bia on pedasem. Ba on kin kaya, de bia me catch us hasten slowly. Kan Google Musa dan ko profile CV. Data na ya Thomas be din atem no. Sa brand here no. He is a learned man. Professor ya OKSTA. Professor Sapon.
Yeah.
Now would you matem ne ade no. Akokwa you see, you may not like people, but they make us a data no the abano. Why should I leave this 74-page data? Let me could dinner them. It is not intelligent.
Yeah.
Or the data ba
academic.
Or yeah, don't make benye. Kroma then yan come fan ho. And no present data no this for both and near pamono.
And so bem.
And I say. Man don't make benya. Professor Sapon there or the by won to media man for the election amfa and a data amfa me meteorology for be forecasting.
Sure.
It because in so beto sad day na we abebo krum ha no forecasting. Google the meaning of forecasting. Saying the besi and we forecast based on models. And you come and pass some Ghana Meteorological Agency as a tawale feel no opposite wa. You afraid be a funny way that idea as a balu kakra kebi. Information is the gumi de share. So ko report ade CCC na gather meteorological data. Inso beto enya nto a yedi matem. Because it's a forecast based on certain climatological conditions. So climatological conditions is a sign. Weather no so bad then ebe sesa. So me when I see this research, me who say e you be there me koko.
Say bibi say wo nim.
As a car, ofoni na red na eba no. It is indicators. A tell say break ABS and one year car no break ABS nyadwuma.
Sure.
So when Musa Dankwa another researcher don research here you need there you see it as car indicators.
Yeah.
Me no ye bikini analysis so be kaya. Ye bikini. So you pick the data, you go through the data. Nianya wo deno. Ye ho adwuma me nuanom say na ye ba wo hwa na ye be no. But to publicly no mudio matem Santa Carta assassinations no. I think say too much.
Now when you say sometimes they don't also know say opinion. Nipa adwene no kire. And a day of election no crowd. Me asia nipa na sesa na adwene. It doesn't mean say
Awakwa EIU. What the this election can they have a 100% record from 2008.
Nhyira FM.
Say crowd the be and we just say to be car say ba me be research abasa ba me be wini a me message research. Omo ya na mo. I'll present the research for you. So let's say still Suleiman Pasaka and time. Honestly, the MPP for year Musa Dankwa 2020 was shameful. Net time. The NDC for year Professor Sapon 20 net time. Pick the work, leave the person out, and analyze the work. Now let's analyze the work. Demography of research near the demography and are responding to sabin baby free omunchi or medication. I hope important because for example, so person who's in Buako in the last 10 years. Now I hope I'm no bekasa research mayano. Don't toes. Oh, nothing near Kujum. What I say, but I mean, a drum former and a kasa, I'll have a better data. Why? They are in the arena.
Right.
So the demography of research is important. And my responding, and a man and a also 54% as against a man 46%. Age in very important.
Sure.
Very important. Which are the youthful side, you know, 35 for any adults, 35 for no, 25 for no so, and I'm 24 so. You know, and education is important. Education is important because we are tertiary there. Macroeconomic stability not here.
Yeah.
Oh, catches inflation and reflective food or because what's here. So education is also important. I go school no 42% tertiary and SS for no tertiary is 31% and a GHS 15%.
Okay.
You know, and also employment or yaduma. Okwaya dwuma ye toto utie nsuka
income tax ye bet
any ade
yeah and so enye dwuma no
yes employment so important and if you na dodo na Christopher once again the demography no Christopher na do so Islamic for ya na no megun san so na others no and so on. Now let's go to the substantive data but things am amount be MPP for be NDC for ni ade now the research and then find the key issues in here akwa we then a kai
a Kaime NDC there. Kaime NCC the same partner with them.
And the Mecatron say then a bounce.
Sure. It's just a
NCC Ekotwabano Human Development Index, Afrobarometer, Global InfoAnalytics about 4.7.
Sure.
Nearly 5 and 9 I trust the Opoma and come away discuss here. And one issues are on my reason. Research no May 28 to 1st of April, 5 days.
Sure.
Niamo Mokai. Yakotwaban and one of Mokai. It's a check on the Hamana NDC say. Yamana a Hauna Hawam. Oh, Mujina so the 2 hours the sound mine or how no 3 months I would jam or how no or how near the economy 67%. I wish I would disaggregate the various sectors.
Sure.
But economy under 8 no a city no inflation, transportation, the cost of food, the cost of living. Economy na hane here because when you fulcrum akwa or rent or electricity bill car ufu obi bia ni nyina revolve kwasitum kun no alert na babo so no and only economy ni nyina so the economy is the fulcrum
and so awaje agu
anje atiase omu wi a adwum aye den unemployment it's almost the same as the economy
right
so a jobless economy it's not a good one. It's a chance say mabunu do na tu hwi. Ekodi mahamachi wa hano. Why ba akwa ma wom chacha to no wate. We ko nuki video na kopa boys na ni age. Misi say fifi nchire me na me hwete me na asesa me shembre ma.
And no nye sustainable job.
Oh, say me yadwuma. Ti me be pe kakra no msuo. Ti me say boys nchire me. Unemployment no enso 67%.
Right.
Ghana mebu ni adwuma. The unemployment rate is around 14%.
Okay.
Ni ehu ni say according to Ghana statistics, ma unemployment in the doors.
And they
Into the mama ife de bia na se waye ma no.
Many be my binet.
Oba won adwuma no they are susceptible to lot of abuse.
Okay.
So mama start ya. I told you utum face na you see, we joke with these things. But Oba won adwuma no or susceptible to abuse. How many lawyers? Men ka say yamu bi. How many lecturers? Na adwen say be ma bom. How many? Men ka say yamu bi. But the frequency. It was starting ya na me be ma bi na. When the be ma no no obu no ntimi nko because people to ntimi nto.
Or you dependent on them.
Only skill. In fact, the NEET data are not in employment, not in education, not in training. A ma and a dorsal.
Right.
So they don't have skills. Or sign the eduma. Now this goes about the eduma. It's in a Mahama eduma program now what they ban. And so in a year. And give people skills to work with. Akwa third one ya nyakwa next week o.
Next week e betwas.
Third one education. Yesuku sam. Esankoma kabro fu na me depan say the development of a country is based on its human resource, not the natural resource. Men na ya adwen. akokwa setema mu fo nim de wo form a education no any your mind development ne nkoyie se education no form a ojeman chisifiri John Mahama wa na abamia wo beto ama no but education konkanya obehye policy document no manifesto no na waye proper analysis on say part we beboa me obeboa me because of 1 2 3 4
sure
again your free research nsem important and no yes advantage so akra de to akọ school
ai
akoto okaya
yeah
tama ayi NCC yana NCC omo data on education akokwa so okaya when they broke it down free research was one of the key issues
yeah
ehye John Mahama by increasing the funding the highest funding free research has ever received one cap get fund we need to break the infrastructure gap double track ni free go kwa nkura school me sister ko bi me hu so they say fa wani so
because me nwanwa say akwada ketfua like SHS ni betumi afatu pistol na wako school say me ne me colleague ewo issue nti me kotutu na wo hwe girl nani a Jeff fa to so shortly my wo hwe girl nani a de tu na ye no no e say em say wo bantema ho baby
yes advances SHS yes na kwa
school
mu na ko PTA meetings no mo bon kura ne niam bi omi ni school mu a se so uni schools na we quick detour uni schools na yakokwa akwa se ya se ya maye momo enti musu mu jimi asebe mu ni nko so education some here Ghana is the top 3 issue enti ese ehwe ni here because uni makokwa ya anye careful ya education ya be na MPP NDC
na ni no kura de emisa asayi o
na ba kokwa na so da konfa no che
ge we de nani no wase wase no kra wo hwehwe de obi ba wo akwada ketwa ese wo ye SHS ni watumi akofatu fie
akokwa ye time SHS no na ye teacher buru na ye de yi
usuro
ye buru ne de yi metallic pan no sai bucket ne de no awe
na wo arizona yi mu abegina kwan wo ye dan se wo ku gimi yankoi
na kokwa fourth one no ya kwan road is an economic tool and no man Africa you say kofijo bi e fe yase kwan na asase 15,000 be kan ho so road opens access
sure
road and so economic tool utie professor Kwasi Kwafo adakwa former vice chancellor K University ye an interview lab FM I say most roads are economic tools enti e say ya kwan ma Ghana for bu an kwan na kokwa on pe asphalt obeso de djusu kakrama no
so I was happy with the introduction of that drip.
Yeah. Oh, beautiful.
Very beautiful.
Ba kokwa yan kan kwentre we urban rules for na sensan ade ne say ya wie no. Sa N6 we e free yanim ha bom so ko so na sa kwan kan se tua ne ka. Wa anya kwan papa bia.
And that's one thing I like about Frank Amwakohene. And that has been idea washase or see before so be sign the paper basis so as a contractor one district be the bar and municipal be the bar. What he would do is that or person didn't any be who
na kokwa beboa
or say a mo bia man who expect say expressly wo de buy ya no
no assign
any be say
pa he fe yase dia na yake ya kwan fe street light ni so marking bi ni so da ban the same kwayi ke Lord K Eco K University am na bi e da ho no ni say akokwa last one healthcare
sure
now so these are the 5 largely top issues now akokwa in just about 2 minutes October 2024 oye research ni bi ni ekoto aba no
okay
and why April 2025 enti hananya oye ne say oman no the direction ye kono eya na say nye sa na obusa nkrofo no
right
enti wo sha right direction no ne deep blue no October 2024 and the deep blue be October 2024.
That's a fee mu no.
Yes. And a green and hu na ya fi we April there. Obusa October no man so man no ekoyie no 31%.
Okay.
Say man say ekoyie no 62%, almost 100%.
Right.
And to compare to Afrobarometer na dem first na it confirms.
Sure.
Aban bia sesan sa first 2 years sabe bia baby anaye. It we enye news.
Right.
To NDC near we celebration be in there's no novelty in this.
Okay.
I've proven that to you earlier. Wrong direction also no. October no me no say Kufuor do man e ko dichim 62%. Mama ba am say 26%. Honeymoon na no mgusu wo so no. Tie no ano no. No opinion for ne there sa. Ba ko curious. 2024 na ebufuo wom no. No ma am so mu ni opinion no 7. honeymoon you crown so mom's own opinion near 12.
Na so omo share den hu so yi.
It's curious. It's curious. Now, where are regions, you know? Yes, I did. Ashanti region, interest, my isolate man.
Right.
Ashanti region, Oman say a wrong direction, no?
Okay.
Last year, there, no?
Okay.
No, no, yeah. 16%. Oman say any 61%.
Okay.
What I say? Yes, so Ashanti region, Eddie, no. Okay. My mema back on home. Okay, so this just around the ways and the way why no. But what we interesting shade we check January 2025 for now. Na
Right direction.
Right direction, you know.
Is around there me fan say 45%.
Yes.
Roughly.
And I could 62.
And now 62.
So it can tell it will tell you say Mahama first days, you know. Where did it be aka home?
Right.
What you say? Because January 25, you name date in the
right.
But if it was around 40 something,
45,
45,
middle, yeah.
No, cause 62. It means that the last 3 months, what me did be aka home?
Sure.
It also tells you say, "Oh man, no more phone swab form." So whatever the NDC have done to hold it at 62% or increase from January to March, you know, they need to do more.
Right.
To keep that momentum.
Right.
Now, lastly, president approval ratings. October, then we are not for the approval rating. 37. My catch was the worst approval rating. 2014-2011 Afrobarometer. I use 2022, 2020, 2014 Afrobarometer. President Mahama and President Kufuor is the best. In fact, the best Afrobarometer is 2004. You know, it has almost the best all the indices as Kufuor. Now. Kufuor approval rating at 36%. Currently, John Mahama approval ratings is 66%. Very interesting. Very interesting. So it tells you clearly that John Mahama has the goodwill of the people. I come to next week a 74-page document. It tells you clearly say
corruption
yes.
and other things changes.
And also important.
Yeah, very, very important.
And also important because I go corruption, you know. Start here at Totaman food. It's not a corruption perception.
Yeah.
It may not be actuals,
yeah,
but it may just be the perception of it.
So you must deal with it.
Yes.
All right, Eugene Osei-Tutu that's here no pay.